Welcome, and thank you for your participation in Citrix Converge. I'm Jay Tomlin, a Senior Director of Product Management for Citrix Workspace, and I'm thrilled to see the continued innovation being built on the Workspace platform. The sessions in this Work Solutions track focus not only on making users more productive in their day-to-day work, but also on improving the employee experience, which is more important than it's ever been. Hybrid and remote work is now the norm for knowledge workers, and up to 70% of all workers will be remote at least 5 days a month in the coming years. That means companies need to provide tools and experiences that are optimized for remote work and which mitigate some of the most difficult challenges that come with remote work. We know, for example, that modern work remains highly complex, and in a typical workday, employees are juggling up to 35 different applications, often needing to use 4 or more applications just to complete a single business process. A large majority, almost 70%, are toggling between apps all day, which not only hurts performance with so much context switching, but can also put security at risk when users need to log on to different systems over and over again. Users also spend too much time doing low-value work. Up to a day per week, 20% of time is spent searching for information. And as the lowest common denominator between systems and organizations, email continues to be a poor and hard to replace means for engaging with employees and collaborating with coworkers and partners. Meanwhile, large projects that require close collaboration among multiple teams typically run over budget and deliver less value than they should. And perhaps most worryingly, after more than a decade of employee productivity growth remaining flat and failing to reflect the increased technology investments that companies have made, data shows that productivity actually increased after the pandemic forced the majority of us to work remotely. But that increase has come at a high cost, with almost 70% of employees reporting burnout as a result of increased demands on their time and the blurring of boundaries between their personal lives and work obligations. The root causes behind these problems are common across industries and affect workers of all types. One, information is still hard to find. It's buried in multiple systems or lost in email, or it's stored in unstructured files, making it difficult to find or summarize the type of information that's needed. Organizing business records for retention and compliance purposes is time-consuming and low value-added work. Intranets, which are intended to deliver information to users, tend to become static and outdated, and company leaders struggle to connect with employees and give them the information that they need to stay aligned with the company's goals. Users themselves are generally unable to curate and personalize their view of information with it being scattered in so many different applications. Next, we know that conversation is not the same as collaboration. Files, notes, data, conversations, and tasks related to a work project are still distributed across multiple applications and document repositories. And collaboration across these tools are not connected, resulting in more unnecessary context switching and time wasted, and making it difficult to get work done. When it's time to extend access outside the company, workers still need a secure way to exchange information with external customers and partners that can apply security best practices without relying on users to do so. Office suites and team collaboration tools are generally optimized for internal use between coworkers, not for B2B or B2C collaboration. And business transactions are spanning systems of record, which means users are needlessly switching between tools and copying documents from one place to another, adding applications, or manually updating multiple systems with the same details when executing business transactions. And since B2B transactions are generally reduced to the lowest common denominator between organizations, they often fall back to email, paper, or even fax, which is time-consuming and ineffective way to execute business agreements. We believe these problems are worth solving and that there is a massive opportunity to help companies overcome these challenges. The lesson for us is clear. Success will go to the organizations that can deliver a consistent and secure workspace and empower users to do their best work from any location. And more, the digital workspace is the user's workplace, the place where they spend the majority of their time creating value. A great employee experience needs to be more than just a launchpad for applications or communication tools. It requires two key attributes: simplified access and workforce agility. Let's take a closer look at these concepts and how you can help deliver these for your organizations. So, what do we mean by simplified access and workforce agility? Simplified access means having a secure, unified starting point that gives you access to everything needed to do your job. This includes the ability to launch applications with single sign-on, regardless of the app's location or architecture or user device. It means access to documents from any content silo. And it means providing easy-to-use workflows that employees can quickly discover and act upon without needing to learn how to navigate a complex application. Workforce agility refers to the need all organizations have to adapt quickly to change, align on goals, and respond to customer needs. An agile workforce gives you a competitive edge and involves keeping employees up to date with the company's mission, goals, and priorities, enabling secure and effective collaboration with external clients and partners, and empowering users and business technologists with tools to improve their own workflows without requiring heavy IT investment and without resorting to shadow IT to procure tools that they don't have at their disposal. Next, I'd like to share a few examples of what Citrix is doing to make simplified access a reality and how this will impact you as a developer. Workspace gives users everything they need to be productive in an easy-to-use format that provides secure, contextual access from any device. This includes single sign-on to apps and desktops, unified search, quick access to recent apps, desktops, and files, and a personalized feed with information emanating from all of the systems that the user interacts with. It also includes a catalog of commonly used actions that let users perform quick actions against systems without needing to launch that app. To power those notifications and actions driven by enterprise systems of record, we've provided a starting set of integrations and templates that help customers get started with the most common applications, and developers and partners like you have helped us by contributing integrations and micro app bundles to the community. Thank you for your support. We're continuing to evolve this platform so it becomes the simplest and most powerful way to build employee experiences. This track will include sessions that highlight some of the improvements we've added to the platform that make developing integrations and micro apps simpler and more powerful, like a new scripting framework that provides built-in capabilities for transforming data or incorporating files into the micro app experience. Another key aspect of providing a modern work experience that simplifies access is allowing users to make it their own. This video highlights some new features in the Workspace service that allow for more personalization, both by IT departments and by end users, so that Workspace can provide a more and more personalized environment. Users will have control over which UI widgets they want to appear on their homepage, and will be able to link their own applications to enable user-centric integrations with notifications and actions. For example, users would be able to link a content provider, such as OneDrive, with a search integration. And then their Workspace search results would include documents from that repository in addition to any files that are stored on the Workspace platform. And just as we continue to expand the integrations catalog, we'll continue expanding the types of content and widgets that users would be able to add to their Workspace, and make it possible for you to build your own widgets too. Next, let's take a look at the parts of the Work Solutions platform that enable increased workforce agility. It's best to start here with a few simple examples. A key part of organizational agility is keeping everyone connected and aligned to your company's goals. As a center for getting work done, the work experience should also include tools that allow you to connect with and engage employees. And these engagements can have a positive impact on an employee's feeling of connectedness, their morale, and their ability to share two-way feedback with the organization about what's going well and what needs to change. Workspace can deliver broadcast messages to your team or to the whole company with a quick update, an announcement, or just some good news to help brighten their day. Or it can serve as a base for frequently asked questions that help new employees navigate the organization. And to keep a pulse on what's happening and what issues may need to be addressed, quick surveys could be rolled out in the same interface to solicit feedback from employees. These examples could all be built by integrating with existing content management systems or survey tools, or you could use a product like Citrix Podio to serve as the backing application platform to power these experiences. Our Work Solutions portfolio includes two tools for low-code development. The microapps builder shown on the left serves as a way for IT app dev teams to connect with enterprise systems of record, monitor changes in their data, and trigger notifications based on those changes. It also allows teams to build up a catalog of actions that users can perform without needing to launch the enterprise system of record. The builder on the right is Citrix Podio, which can be used by business technologists outside of IT, and is able to serve as a lightweight, self-contained development platform for content applications with a flexible data structure and includes powerful automations that don't require other applications to serve as the system of record. We've already seen from previous Converge conferences some outstanding examples of combining these two platforms where a workspace notification or action can be powered by Podio. To make it easier for customers to get started with Work Solutions and to develop experiences using only a Citrix platform, we're introducing the new App Builder service, powered by Podio, now included with Citrix Workspace, so that all Workspace customers will be able to leverage the simplicity and the flexibility of Podio to power workflows in Citrix Workspace. This video demonstrates how a simple app built with the App Builder service can drive the broadcast feature inside Citrix Workspace, and how it can be easy for a citizen developer to modify the template that this feature is based on. When the user first set out to create a broadcast announcement, the category field showed two options, neither of which are a great fit. The user wants to send out an announcement using CEO Update as the category. Since this broadcast action is based on Workspace App Builder, it's possible to quickly change the schema of the template in the backing app and add CEO Update as a new category option. Then, when creating a broadcast entry back in Workspace, those changes are reflected and the announcement can be delivered as desired. This is just one simple example of how the App Builder service can make it easy to design custom notifications and actions using Citrix for the front end and back end system of record. I'm personally really excited about how this combination of Podio and Workspace will make it easier for customers and partners like you to build new use cases that improve the employee experience. The possibilities are endless. And in case you missed the earlier announcement, Citrix is sponsoring a hackathon to see who can develop the best new ways to tackle hybrid work challenges using Citrix Podio and Workspace microapps. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Also crucial for workforce agility is the ability to execute business with clients and partners outside your organization. The Work Solutions area incorporates document collaboration and workflows like secure sharing, file requests, e-signature, feedback, and approvals for content, regardless of the location or content repository used. Agility also means completing projects as a team, and with Rike now a part of the Citrix portfolio, companies are able to support the full spectrum of work, from structured enterprise workflows to collaborative team project work and task management to workflows on documents, all with a single platform. I hope this background has been useful to help ground you in our vision for the modern work experience, and why we believe simplified access and workforce agility are the keys to unlocking employee potential. Whether it's by enabling contextual access to any application and making it easier to find information and get things done, empowering line of business workers to build custom apps and execute content workflows, or working collaboratively as a team to get things done, our platform helps address the challenges of modern hybrid work and delivers a consistent, secure employee experience. We'll continue building out integrations to grow the variety of use cases that the platform can support, and we'll extend the benefits of Workspace into other work channels so that employees can leverage the platform in other systems of engagement. The sessions in the Work Solution track offer a deep dive on how to design and build solutions that help address the challenges of modern work and deliver great employee experiences that engage and empower all types of workers. In addition to technical content that will help you get the most out of our platform tools, you can also find insights to help position the value of these work solutions with customers and best practices for making deployments successful. I really hope you're enjoying the conference, and I can't wait to see what you build next. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of Converge.